Now before we jump into the range test, just wanted to show you guys this cool case that I got on Amazon for the FIMI, guys. This is very compact. Just to show you guys comparison, it is a little bit smaller. Just show you guys the size. It is a little bit thicker than the original box. It's a little bit smaller as well. So pack's very nice. Got it on Amazon. I believe it was $20. Does have the metal legs on the bottom. Don't believe it's waterproof. Completely not waterproof. It has the zippers right here to go ahead and open it. So there it is on the inside, guys. So right here's where I put all my cables, and if you guys want to store an iPad or something like that in there, you can go ahead and do so. Here's the drone. It does have a slot for 2 batteries essentially, or you can have 3. One there, one there. Can essentially just put the battery in the zone, so you can have up to 3 batteries with this case. Controller slides in. Pretty cool that you do get to keep the sticks on the controller. And the drone, as you can see right here, it does have the cutouts for your fingers, so all you have to do is just stick your finger in here, pull it right out, and it slides back in really easy, guys. So big fan of this case. Easy to move around with, and I definitely recommend it. If you guys have any questions about this case, just drop it in the comments section of this video. All right, let's go ahead and do a quick takeoff. There we go, guys. Looks pretty steady. No movement. Look like it's looking down directly at the pad, hopefully. That means that we can hit the landing pad on the way back this time. Alright, so let's go ahead and we're going to take it up a little bit. Alright, we're 100 feet up. Let's go up to about 150. 140. And there's the beautiful view. Alright. And let's see where we are. We're going to zoom out a little bit. We want to head right towards that lake, guys. We want to head right towards that big lake. So look like we're on point. So let's switch it back. And let's go ahead and take off. Now we're going about 34 miles per hour. Picture still looks pretty good. Don't want to avoid flying over any houses. See if we can head straight for that lake. All right.
Using sticks in RTH mode will change flight
some
route.
controller. I need to aim it down a little bit. Let's see. Set the controllers up a little bit.
Using sticks in RTH mode will change flight route.
Oh. How do we cancel the return to home? Let's cancel that. Looked like it lost signal for a second and activated the return to home. So let's try to go up a little bit higher. We're sitting at 160, 170, go up to 200. All right, so we're at 200. I'm gonna go ahead, we're gonna turn it back around. Still heading for that lake, that elusive lake in the far distance. Let's see if we're still on for that lake. Yes, so we're still on. There we go. All right, so let's go get it going again. All right, so we're going again, 27 miles per hour. Still going. Gale warning, please fly carefully. Tilt it down a little bit. There we go. And now we're about hitting a mile right now, guys. See, our battery's pretty good. Still have good signal. All right, we're sitting at 7,700 feet. Drone overload. All right, so it looks like we're losing signal, guys. We're about 9,000 feet. So we did make it to the lake. Wanted to see if we can get to 2 miles potentially. Also keeping an eye on my home. So I need to turn around here in a little bit, but almost 2 miles out, we just lost controller signal. But as far as everything else, looks beautiful, guys. Still at 14, still have control. You can see the water looks pretty good. Just to avoid any battery issues, guys, I think I'm gonna turn it around here. know we have some wind warning. So let me go ahead and flip the return to home. But before I do, let's take a look around. The lake looks pretty good. Quick pan. Looks really good, guys. Alright, so let me go ahead. We're going to hit the return to home. Alright. There it goes. And hopefully it actually sticks the landing this time. Last time, oh, just lost signal on the controller. So my battery is at 55%. And if I didn't get those gale warnings, I'll probably go out a little bit more. It's one of those things, you got to be smart, pick your battles, all that good stuff. So maybe I'll get out on the ocean or something like that where I can really push it to where I want. Beautiful. Looks like my return to home speed is about 22 miles per hour. So let me see if I can push that a little bit.
Using sticks in RTH mode will change fly groove.
Okay. Yelling at me, so if I'm returning to home, I guess they want you to keep that flight route, so they're warning you that using the sticks will change the route. I'll respect that. But besides that, everything looks beautiful. This is probably my new favorite drone. Like I said before, I do own the DJI Phantom 3 Professional. It is also a 4K drone. Both of them do have good quality picture. The only difference is that this actually is a lot smaller, guys. As you guys saw, the case was mini. The case was really tiny. And as far as getting around, this is the kind of flexibility if you guys are on vacation or something like that. Easy to move around, pack in your bag, whatever the case is, versus the Phantom 3 Professional. So just going off what I experienced here and also what I've seen in previous reviews, this can probably easily go 4 miles out, 3 miles out, 3.5 miles out. You got to make sure when you're returning, you're coming back with the wind. That way you won't run out of battery. And that was my fear here with those wind warnings. I've seen videos where they'll go out too far, and on the way back it has to do a landing, and it really sucks losing a drone. So better safe than sorry. So If you guys hear me sniffling, been battling a cold a couple of days now. Alright, so we're about 3,000 feet from the home point. And it's a nice day here in Florida. Kind of overcast, but it's been in the hundreds the past couple of days, so I really can't complain. Alright, so battery's at 41%. It looks like the horizon issues that I had in the last one has been fixed, or actually there's still a slight slant in the horizon. So maybe a firmware update. It should be coming overhead right now. Should be able to hear it here in a couple of seconds. I think I see it in the far distance. Actually, it's overhead. Right overhead. All right. Here we go, Mr. Big Shot. Can we land on the landing pad? Landing pad not detected. Well, keep looking. Come on, you can do it. Landing pad not detected. Come on, you're so close. You're so close. You're so close. It's right there. It's right here. Oh man. So it looks like it's gonna be off again. Let me just go ahead and cancel. Turn to home. Look like we're gonna be about another 3 feet off. And that's essentially what it did last time as well, guys.